Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to add keyframes in InShot. Let's start. At first you have to open your InShot app here. Now tap on video, then tap on new, and in here select the video that you want to add. Now tap on the check mark, and in here you guys can find out keyframe items, and then I'm going to add keyframes on the first of this video, and then I'm going to lower the opacity, and here I'm going to grow it a little, and I'm going to do it for the last of this video. And in here I'm going to add keyframes for zoom in the video, and I'm going to focus on this girl here. Like this, you guys can also focus on someone by using keyframes, and then you guys can zoom in the video and you guys can zoom out the video. To make your video smooth, you have to use graphs after adding keyframes. Just tap on the keyframes and then tap on graph, and here you guys can add keyframes with graphs. Then your video will be more smooth with this keyframe effects. So this is how you guys can add keyframes in your video by using InShot app. See how easy it is? We put lots of effort every day through videos to make your life better. If it helps, please subscribe and like. Until next time, bye bye.